So you've just bought a Sony FS5, but you've got your old Rode VideoMic Pro because you probably came from full-frame DSLRs or full-frame mirrorless cameras. And you don't want to just buy a new mic because you've already got one and they're pretty expensive. Unfortunately, the FS5 only has XLR inputs and the Rode VideoMic Pro is a 3.5mm jack. It seems like it'd be incompatible, but there's a very simple way to use your Rode VideoMic Pro on your FS5. It's a really simple fix, and I'll put links in the description to everything I use. What you need is a Rode VXLR. This converts 3.5mm to XLR. They're available for around $10 to $20. You can get them anywhere, even on Amazon or eBay. So it should seem fairly straightforward. You connect the Rode VideoMic Pro to the VXLR converter. Mount the Rode VideoMic Pro on top of the FS5 and the hot shoe mount. Then you can choose to connect the XLR into the handlebar input, which is actually input 2. Or what I prefer to do is put the XLR into input 1, and I'll explain why. For some reason, the way that the Sony menus are set up makes it so that the channel 1 and 2 can only select certain inputs from each one. Now, what I wanted to do was record scratch audio from the handlebar internal microphone as well as audio from the Rode VideoMic Pro. To do this, head into the menu and for channel 1, select input as internal microphone. Then head over to channel 2 and select input 1 as the input for channel 2. That way you're going to be recording both the internal mic and the shotgun mic. The VideoMic Pro, mounted on the hot shoe, and the FS5's internal audio are recording at the same time. Right now you're hearing audio recorded through the Rode VideoMic Pro mounted on the hot shoe. Now you're hearing the audio recorded from the FS5's internal mic on the top handle. Here's how it looks in a timeline. As you can see, I deleted the tracks that weren't relevant. Hope that helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe.